But at a young age, I understood that there's just certain things that you have to do to gear up and remind people or plan for something that can be represented by the term "it's time." And so we do the same thing in our industry with tires.
Yep.
But most of the time, it is way too late. Tire season hits us like a freight train. Even though we know when the freight train's coming, it comes at the same time every year, but we most of the time are caught surprised.
Yep.
Or we just accept that that's our reality. And this always blows me away with clients that we have that actually charge to store the tires and the rims. So, service departments in the southern part of the country are not going to understand this.
No, but they still, I think that nationally, a lot of the manufacturers run specials in the fall and spring. So I do think that there's a push for tires even in the South.
No, what I'm saying is they're not going to understand the storage
winter off
part.
Take summer off and put winter on.
Because, I worked in Washington, which the weather's terrible, but you don't store rims and tires like you do in Illinois or parts of Canada.
Yep.
That sort of thing. But there are service departments out there, just for everybody who doesn't understand this, that will have an extra set of rims and tires for our clients that they pay to store, we store for free, whatever it is, that they will come in and get their winter tires put on and they just swap. But what happens is they get completely bombarded by all the customers coming in wanting their rims and tires to be swapped, that they don't have time to inspect anything. They don't have time to recommend an alignment. It really is just a hold on and do the best you can for 45 days.
That's it.
And then it happens again when they come off, right?
Yeah.
And so what we know is we could get ahead of that and we could pre-make those appointments with our clients, right? We could gear up for it. There's a lot of things that we could do instead of waiting for the phone to ring, waiting for it to be too late. And then we usually don't do that. And so what Christian and I are trying to tell you today is it's time. Start planning now for tire season. Don't wait until it's too late. Get ahead of it with your marketing. Get ahead of it with your inventory, with how many technicians you have available. We don't need our $35 an hour diesel techs doing tires. Let's gear up and get some people in place. Let's get our marketing in place and let's make tires a big deal. And let's have a system in place where tires end up equating to a lot of alignments and brake sales also. Because customers are going to need alignments. And when we have the wheels off, let's look at the brakes.
Just take a peek.
Yeah. And if they need it, let's tell them. That's it. We don't need to over-recommend. We don't need to oversell. All we need to do is create an opportunity that if they need it, we're available to do it and we're not overwhelmed. And we have the capacity in the shop to do it. So we're going to need to add a couple more techs. Let's be ready for it. Let's make this the greatest tire season ever. Thanks so much for watching this clip of Service Driving Revolution. We're uploading new stuff every day, so make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out. If you have a question you'd like us to answer on the show, call 8333-ASK-SDR and we'll answer your question on the show. That's 8333-ASK-SDR. For special deals on our books and training, head over to offers.chriscollinsinc.com. Now that's offers.chriscollinsinc.com. I'm Chris Collins, and I'll see you in the next video.